Frederick County is as far north as you can go in Virginia. Formed in 1743 with the splitting of Orange County, it is considered part of the Northern Virginia-Washington metropolitan area. While it was named for Prince Frederick, son of King George II, now it's known as Apple Country because it has more apple orchards than any other community in the state. John Marker is part of a long tradition of Frederick County families involved in agriculture.
I'm a fourth-generation farmer here. The farm has been in the family for about 110 years. We do mainly apples, and we also do some peaches, pears, plums, and vegetables for our farm market here.
Marker runs Burke Moeller Orchards and does direct retail at the family's farm market outside of Winchester, an independent city inside the county.
There's a lot of rural area in Frederick County, and yeah, but then it's also close enough to Northern Virginia. It's also there's lots of population here too. But it's a very diversified farming operation here.
Frederick County has a total of 762 farms with a market value for all agricultural products of $33.77 million. The major source of farm income is from crops at $24.6 million. Over half of that, $15.9 million, comes from apples, other tree fruits, and berries. Grains, oilseeds, dry beans, and dry peas, along with hay and other crops, add another $6.6 million in farm income. $9.1 million worth of livestock are also raised in Frederick County. The largest sector is cattle and calves, which bring in $5.8 million. Like many counties on the edge of major population centers, Frederick County farmers are having to adjust to new neighbors.
We have moved to where a lot of agricultural land has been transformed now into housing developments, and have lost that segment. And of course, with the need for more housing, that continues to be something that the ag in the area is dealing with.
But those new neighbors also offer new market opportunities beyond traditional crops.
Because of our proximity to Northern Virginia and DC populations, we have really seen urban sprawl here in Frederick County, again making it good for agritourism for many of our local ag producers.
The county's solid ground transportation network is a benefit to farmers in the area who want to sell to neighboring communities.
Interstate 81 cutting right through the county makes it an easy corridor to move products from one location to another. We also intersect with several other major highways, which puts us in a pretty prime position for transportation. A lot of the larger industry has looked to this area or nearby to locate, but it also helps out with moving the ag products from this area up and down the road to nearby locations.
Phil Glaze can count his family's roots of Frederick County back to the late 1700s. His family has 650 acres and have been growing apples for 90 years. They've recently begun exploring hard cider as an additional product. He's seen the county change, but he's confident farming will remain important.
As far as dollars back to the economy and how far they stretch, agriculture is still extremely important for Frederick County, whether it's cattle or row crops. There's a lot of new agritainment going on. Farm markets are being developed.
West Oak Farm Market is an example of an agricultural property finding a way to successfully coexist with new neighbors. It serves as both a working farm and an agritourism destination. Behind the market, there are plenty of breathtaking views, blending mountains, rolling hills, and pastures. To one side, visitors can see workers in the pumpkin patch. Beyond that, a new school and houses surround the property. Scenes like this demonstrate how Frederick County farmers have often had to adapt, but longtime growers are not worried they'll be forced out.
Agriculture will still be here. The face of it may change. There'll still be apple orchards here.
Anyone that cares about keeping the food on their plate as close to home or coming from as close to home as possible, as far as apples go, will make sure that they try to buy an Eastern apple. and in particular a Virginia apple. They may not be as pretty, but the taste is going to be there, and you're actually going to be helping to keep a farmer in business when you try to source local produce.
The farmers of Frederick County are working to keep apple country alive in the midst of suburban growth, and they're confident that farming and farmers continue to be valuable members of their community. In Frederick County, Virginia, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.